A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is quickly becoming a must-have. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely, without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. Also, a VPN swaps the real location of your device with a new one. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So, who can benefit from a VPN? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. If digital security is your top priority, a VPN gives a nice additional layer of security. It encrypts your data so nobody could see what you send and receive. If you are a human rights activist whose freedom of speech is restricted, a VPN helps you to bypass censorship and speak to the world. Or, if you're on holiday in another country, with a VPN, you can bring your home entertainment anywhere you go. Here's a pro tip: check out Surfshark VPN. It has everything you need in a premium VPN, awesome speeds, and industry-leading protection that covers all of your devices. All you have to do is click Connect. Secure your digital life and enjoy everything good that the internet has to offer with a VPN you can trust.
Click link in the description and get 81% discount for your first order. Using the pen tool, open your Photoshop project. If you haven't already done so, double-click the project in which you want to create a curved line to open the project. Select the pen tool. Select the pen icon, which resembles a fountain pen nib, in the left-hand toolbar, then click Pen Tool in the resulting pop-out menu. Position your cursor. Before you begin drawing, place your cursor over the point at which you want to begin your drawing. Set the starting point and slope of the curved line. Click and drag your cursor in the direction toward which you want your line to arc, then release the mouse once you reach the top of the curve. The point at which you release the cursor is the point where the apex of your curved line will reach. Create the curved line's second point. Click and hold the point where you want the line to connect from the initial starting point, then drag your mouse in the direction opposite of the direction you dragged it when setting the slope. To create an S-shaped curve, you would drag your mouse cursor in the same direction as when you set the slope. Add more curves. You can add curves to your existing line by clicking and holding the next point of the line and then dragging your mouse to set the curve of the segment. Close the curve. Once you've created a line to your liking, you can prevent the pen tool from creating additional curves by hovering your cursor over the hollow initial line point and then clicking it once you see the small circle appear next to the cursor. Using the curvature pen tool, open your Photoshop project. If you haven't already done so, double-click the project in which you want to create a curved line to open the project. Select the curvature pen tool. Select the pen icon, which resembles a fountain pen nib, in the left-hand toolbar, then click Curvature Pen Tool in the resulting pop-out menu. The Curvature Pen Tool allows you to draw a curve simply by clicking different points in succession. Select the first point. Click the point at which you want your curved line to start. Click the second point. This will create a line between your first point and your second one. Click a third point. Doing so creates a third connection for the line, thus resulting in a curve that uses the second point as its apex. Add more points. You can continue adding points by clicking the places on the canvas on which you want to illustrate your line. The line will automatically curve to fit the points. Reposition a point on the curve. If you want to bend in or out a part of the curve, click and drag the point inward or outward to do so.